Do you know you can use your fingers to apply your eyeshadow like a professional? Now, if you don't mind my old looking eyeshadow palette, let's get right into the video. So yeah, I would be using this basic Morphe palette that I've been using since I started makeup, and this is my Flawless Ivy concealer. So I'm just applying my concealer on my eyelid, obviously where your eyeshadow will be, and you can see I am tapping into it. So I start from the base of my eyelid, then I take it up. Please just watch this video because I know that most beginners do not have the proper brush set for eyeshadow application, and this video is to tell you that you don't really need to have everything to get a flawless looking makeup. So yeah, I push and I make sure that I have a flawless finish. So remember, the rule is apply from down then push up. So we go into our eyeshadow. I start with an eyeshadow that is 2 shades darker than my skin color. So this is what I would be using to create my transition. So whatever skin tone you have, just take an eyeshadow that is a shade or 2 shades light darker than you, depending on how obvious you want your transition to be. You don't want to go in with a color that is too dark, so it does not give you that ash finish. So yeah, I'm just patting it on the areas that I would be using. Then I go in with my black eyeshadow. Please, just a little, you don't need to take too much. Then tap it into this area. Remember, you want to tap all of your products from your concealer to your foundation. Now mind you, these colors have been in my powder eyeshadow, so I take my glittery eyeshadow. This glittery eyeshadow, you start to tap from your inner corners, and remember the rule is from your base upwards. So you have to be careful with your shimmery eyeshadow, and make sure that before you take another color, you know, I started from the brown that was not so ash, then I went in with the black. Clean your hands. You don't want to have any residue so it doesn't interfere with the color you are using at the moment. So make sure that after every color, clean your hands before you go in with the next. Then with your shimmery eyeshadow, you want to be careful. You can see that I started from down, then I started pushing up. So once you take it initially and it's still really heavily coated, you want to go into the base. Then now I am going in with my same shimmery eyeshadow, the same color, then I'm just going into my inner corners, you know, to give you that top-notch professional look. And yeah, I'm just pushing. So definitely this is not a difficult process at all. Even without your set of brushes, you definitely can get a professional looking eyeshadow. So at this point I am done, but I still want that flawless look, so I go in with the color I used to transition, that brown that I said is 2 shades darker, and I just bring it up because I don't want any separation. You can see, and voila, we have our eye look. But before we go, we need to go down. So I take my shimmery eyeshadow in the color I've been using, that's gold, it's champagne gold. So I go in with it, then I look up. You want to look up while you are doing this so that you can get it into your inner corners. Then I come in with the brown I used for transition and I end it with it. I just put it at the side, you understand, and voila, this is it. So guys, I hope that you learned something from this video. So next I just go in with the other side and see my eyeshadow looking all professionally done with my eyeliner. So I hope you got something from this video, and if this is your first time here, you're very much welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and do not forget to hit the like button if this video taught you something. So I hope you check out my other videos. I have videos on makeup and on Kelly, and I know that there's always something to learn in every of my video. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.